In this video, we will check whether a person is eligible for getting a bonus or not using if-else statement. And here, I'm not going to use the shorthand if-else. So we can actually give multiple conditions using the normal if-else statement. So in this video, the condition is just simple, but on the next videos, I'll be giving nested if statements. Here, I took two variables A and B and I have assigned the values float, input, enter the salary in INR, in rupees, and B is equal to float, input, enter the experience in the company in years. So here the values entered should be of decimal or integer, which will be automatically be converted to an float value, or else if you have given any values other than integer or float, it will be considered as an error. So here after the variables we have given the if statement. The condition is if the b greater than 5, which means the experience in the company is greater than 5 years, then the program will print the person is eligible for a bonus of a into 0.05, which means a is the salary and he will get 5% bonus. And if the person doesn't have an experience of greater than 5 years, then the person will not be eligible. So we will give the condition for, we'll give the body of else statement as print not eligible for bonus. So let's click on to the run button or shift plus enter to get the result. Here I'm entering the salary as 50,000. Now I'm going to enter the experience in the company in years 6 years. So the person will be eligible for a bonus of 5%. Now click on the enter to get the output. So they're eligible for a bonus of 2,500, which is a 5% of 50,000. So here the person is eligible for getting a bonus of 2,500. Similarly, I will check if the person is not eligible for a bonus. So here I am entering the salary as 50,000 and the experience in the company 5 years. So in this statement we have prescribed the condition as b greater than 5. So if it's 5 or less, then the person is not eligible for getting a salary, getting a bonus. So here I am going to give the input as 5 years. So the output has come not eligible for a bonus.